Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your friend code in Avakin Life. Your friend code in Avakin Life lets other players add you quickly as a friend. Here is how you can find it. First of all, open the Avakin Life application on your device, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. You'll now end up in your profile section. From your profile page, go to the top left and you'll find your friend code. Your unique code will be displayed here as a series of numbers or letters. Write down your code in a piece of a paper or somewhere safe. Now you can go ahead and share the code to your friends, and friends can use this code to add you directly in the game. So that is how you easily find your friend code in Avakin Life, which is quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.